Gripe water. Gripe water. A lot of people remember gripe water from their youth, but they're remembering it from a time when it had booze in it.
I don't remember gripe water.
Yeah, but you had a misplaced childhood. Gripe water these days is basically
Booze.
dill oil and bicarb of soda, which makes you burp. But when we tried it on Jed, we didn't think it. We got a little burp out, but getting one little burp out of a colicky baby is not good.
Nothing worked on Jed.
No.
Jed was just gas city.
But gripe water has run out because the company who's bought out the company that manufactured it has now got licensing issues with it. And so parents who are convinced that without gripe water their children will have colic have started stockpiling and buying bottles for £10 on eBay when they cost £2.50 in the shops.
The only thing that gets you out of that whole winding baby period of time is time. Eventually they stop, then eventually they just start sleeping through. There's no magic cure.
And there is winding and winding and winding. But with your first, you think, you wind them, and then you get a burp and you think, yeah, great, I've winded them. But actually you need to wind them until every little bubble of...
Until they throw up down your back.
Yeah, basically.
Until they burp like a navvy. Mine was about how all the kind of legislation against alcohol and actually legislation against smoking and trying to control the whole consumption of alcohol in this country has attacked the one good aspect of British drinking culture, which is pubs. And it's made life so much more difficult for the traditional little local, and those are dying out.
And your solution is to stop charging duty on
drinks bought in pubs.
drinks poured into a glass in pubs.
If it's served it to you in a glass on a licensed premises, then no tax. That's my solution. If you buy it in a supermarket, then tax it. It's meddling. We're trying to live a life free from harm and that's not what the world is like. And the baby has gone out with the bathwater on this one.
The gripe water.
Yes, indeed.
When was the last time you went to Bridge Street on a Friday night?
Well, on a Friday night. I don't know.
Bridge Street on a Friday night is this side of Sodom and Gomorrah.
Yes.
And
It's good. It's good. That's what it should be for the little ones.